quick rundown on how to install the Yggdrasil client for the Yggdrasil network. So let's jump right in for Windows. Why are we using Yggdrasil? Because it's free and open source, and you always gotta trust free and open source programs. So you don't want to install these unless you're in Windows 7. You go on GitHub, scroll all the way down, get this MSI. I've downloaded this twice already. It doesn't matter. Run it, and there should be a prompt here, which is like, do you want to let this program make changes to your computer? I already did, so I already have this directory here. And so basically, you're not gonna do anything here. Actually, you're gonna want to move to programdata and Yggdrasil. So go into your config file and you find this monstrosity. So I'm not gonna scroll down here because there's actually sensitive info here, but so we're gonna replace these guys by just looking at this website. Now I'm in Russia, so I'm just gonna pick some of my local peers. I'm gonna pick this peer here. Control C, double quotes, put this in here. Actually, I need this one, comma, space. Ready to put the new one. Let's say this one. I think these ones are the lowest ping to me, so that's why I'm adding them. And just like that, if you're done installing Yggdrasil, all you need is to just reboot, and then you're done here.